Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Factorio as a beginner. First, launch a new game, ideally with default settings to ease into the mechanics. Your initial goal is to gather essential raw materials: iron ore, copper ore, coal, and stone. Crafting basic tools and a furnace is crucial for processing these. Then, set up your first burner mining drills and furnaces to automate resource production. Once you have basic resources, focus on automation. Use burner mining drills to automatically extract ores. Connect these drills to furnaces with inserters to smelt the ores into plates. Next, you'll need power. Build boilers and steam engines to generate electricity, then distribute it to your machines using electric poles. This is the core of your factory's growth. With a stable power grid and automated production, it's time for research. Construct a lab and start producing science packs to unlock advanced technologies. As your factory expands, you'll need more resources, so establish new outposts. Remember to defend your growing base from alien attacks by deploying turrets and walls to protect your valuable infrastructure. Efficient logistics are key to a successful factory. Utilize conveyor belts to transport items between machines, ensuring a smooth flow of materials. Organize your factory layout thoughtfully to prevent bottlenecks and maximize throughput. Continuously upgrade your production lines with faster machines and more advanced components. Always plan ahead for future expansion to keep your factory growing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.